Oh, look at this, folks. Hey, is this the one we saw? It is. Wow, what an overhead departure. Oh, steady, son. Yes, bosh, she's down. Is this the Toy Story 767? It is. This is one we saw at Heathrow last week, I think, folks. I think it was June, I think. Nice. There's a BA 777 Golf Yank Mike Oscar. She's on her way back from Prestwick, so she's landing in 1 minute. In from Prestwick, ladies and gentlemen. This is a positioning flight, so she's there for maintenance, and then she's back in service again.